Impact Wages Affiliate Program Sign Up. So, hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about Impact's affiliate program and how it works, and we will be showing you how to be able to join and sign up to Impact's affiliate partnership or affiliate program. Now, before that, let's first talk about Impact and its affiliate program. Now, this Impact program will allow you to partner with many different brands, as you can see here, such as Adidas, Allstate, Fanatics, Lenovo, and StockX over here. You will be able to find different partners that you will be able to work with an affiliate just like us, looking for or looking to be a partner with these platforms. We could see here more list of brands that we have, as you can see. And Impact has a lot of tools that would allow you to easily have earning potential or a lot and better earning potential than other affiliate programs out there. Through Impact, you will have different tools such as direct access to global brands, like the different brands that we saw earlier. You're also able to have flexible payment processing, especially for your earnings that you will be able to earn. You will be able to get paid via direct transfer, PayPal, and many, many more. Depends on the currency that you choose. There's also reporting and alerts in case you face some issues with your program, so that's something you could easily have some support in. And over here, more information about them. You have the ability to reach out to brands, more ways to monetize and earn money, have more than one workflow under the roof. You will also be able to receive exclusive promo codes, cross platform tracking, and many more, as you can see. You could also watch this video explaining Impact's affiliate marketing. So, to get started, simply scroll up over here and click on Find Brand Partners. Over here, it will prompt us to register or create an account with Impact and start earning money. You have the option to choose between these different methods over here. You could sign up through email or through Apple, Facebook, Google, X, or LinkedIn over here. Completely all your choice. So let's say for me, I would like to sign up with Google and simply select the account that you want to sign up with, of course. I can continue. And then let's now proceed to the next step. Over here, we're simply going to enter our names over here. So let me change this up. And then you can see your email over here. So simply accept the partnership and terms and condition over here, and then enter your phone number that you have. Click on get started. Okay, we're going to modify our phone number over here. Let me search up phone number in United States. Random phone number, United States. Just for the sake of signing up, over here. Okay, so over here, simply wait for the code sent to your phone number. So I have here like a random phone generator over here. So we have our code over here. Let me just copy this, verify, and then over here we're now through the next step. So over here, it's very important also if you are trying to be a social media or like an affiliate partner. It's very important for you to be able to have an existing followers or existing audience, which is going to be important in getting traffic through your link. If you're someone who don't have a social media following, you don't have any website, any blogs, it could be very difficult for you to be able to earn traffic and even get sales with your link because no one knows you. So I would recommend and suggest that you first build an audience, whether it's through TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, create a blog. It doesn't really matter as long as it will allow you to reach a certain audience or like a group of audience that could potentially go through with the link provided to you. It will be going to be very useful and very helpful for you as an influencer. So anyway, over here, how would you categorize your business? Like I said here, social media, it's going to, or your audience will allow you to have a lot of traffic. So you could select that. And there's also content and reviews, loyalty awards, deals and coupons, emails, newsletter, as you can see, search and comparison, network, technology solution, cross audience monetization. So there's a multiple options over here. There's lots of options that you could be, and you can even use this as a reference on what or where you could start up if you're not any of these options over here. So anyway, after this, simply click on continue. Over here, which methods do you use to promote? So you can add a social media platform, a website. You can even add a mobile app, podcast, email, or even offline over here. So these are very important for you to choose from. So as you can see, maybe you could add through Google Analytics, because Google Analytics also analyzes traffic. So you might have your website be partnered with that, which is going to be useful as well. And then you could also enter here like Instagram, I guess.com, just for a simple demonstration. Let me just copy a random link over here. HTTPS. There we go. Then click on submit. And now as you can see, it is now submitted as one of your websites or even one of your socials that are going to be a traffic or a platform for you to promote their different links or promote their different products that you're going to earn through to the links, as you can see. And then you could simply enter information about yourself. You're an individual. You could put a display name over here, as you can see. You could put in your street address over here. So let's say random for now. Uh, what's Alabama like over here? So cities in Alabama, just for the sake of demonstration. So we have this over here. Let's see what states or cities. There we go. Simply copy this. Zip 35005. 35005. Now I would expect that you guys be inputting actual information and real information, because if you don't have or if you use fake information, you're just going to provide or give issues or problems to yourselves. So also make sure that the links that you provide are actually proper. So for example, over here, you can connect it over there. But anyway, after after passing the part that we did earlier, you're just then going to have to wait for a confirmation whether you passed the review or you passed the requirements to be a affiliate marketer or affiliate partner with Impact. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.